Hello. Good morning. Welcome here to Madryn Port or Puerto Madryn. Okay, this is the name of this place. A Welsh last name and Puerto because it's a port. But as the town we call it Puerto Madryn. My name, your local guide, is Adriana. Nice to meet you. And your driver is Juan Carlos. We are going to see sea lions at the rockery, which is 13 kilometers far towards south from here, the town, and then the ranch San Guillermo, where you can try on the most traditional Patagonian and Argentinian food, pieces of bread fried in cow fat, perfect for a rainy day. We used to say that that's the food for rainy days, then here we never eat them. Today is perfect for you. That is what we know means good luck. Yeah. Yes, good luck. It's a good omen.